Today, I'm going to show you how to easily log into your L.L.Bean Credit Card Account. Whether you're checking your balance, making a payment, or viewing your rewards, it's super simple, so let's get started. First, open your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use any browser you prefer. Next, type in the URL www.llbean.com. Once you're on the home page, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now look for the sign in link, which is usually at the bottom of the page under the account section. Next, you'll see a couple of options. Simply enter your email address. Now, as you can see, I can only see here sign up option. You can simply find sign in if you're from the same area. Now you will see a couple of options. Look for the link that says credit card or L.L.Bean Master Card. Click on that. You'll be taken to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you can also find the option to create one here. Simply enter your email. If you've forgotten your password, no worries, just click on the forgot password link and follow the prompts to reset it. After you've entered your credentials, click the sign in button. It may take a moment, but you should be redirected to your account dashboard. Once logged in, you can check your balance, view transactions, pay your bill, and manage your account preferences. And that's it, you're all set to manage your L.L.Bean credit card account online.